Fighting the coronavirus is a battle for all of us. Well, 9 on Your Side's Craig Smith has this inside look on how they're defending against the virus at a place where they're trained for a strong defense. Davis-Monthan Air Force Base.
Davis-Monthan Air Force Base is a city within a city with thousands of people working towards accomplishing a mission. But how do they do that? With another mission on top, protecting against COVID-19. Some workers at DM have an especially hard time keeping that 6-foot distance, like maintainers who may have to come close to work on an aircraft. They're using protective gear except when there's a danger it could be pulled into a jet engine intake. At the base hospital and clinic, no one comes in unless they have the right answer to a series of questions.
Do you or the person you are accompanying have any of the following symptoms like fever, cough, or shortness of any breath?
No.
Inside, nurses on a phone bank take calls from people wondering if they should be checked.
And what symptoms are you having today? How can we help you?
If someone has symptoms that justify a test, that happens at a drive-up. Because of medical privacy law, this is a simulation. The base uses a test that sends sterile fluid up your nose. It flushes out a sample collected for examination. Once collected, the sample stays sealed as it goes through DM's lab, is frozen, then FedExed to Wright-Patterson Air Force Base in Ohio for analysis. The medical group commander says results come back in about 2 days. Colonel Patrick Parsons says the people of the DM community understand their health can affect the health of our entire community.
Because as a community, we all have a responsibility to each other to mitigate the virus transmission. And what we do on the base can affect the community in the local Tucson area, and what the local Tucson area also affects what we do on the base. And so we're in it together. And
because social distancing and wearing protection does require some self-discipline, it helps that as a military base, DM comes with discipline built in.
We're not going to vaccinate our way out of this disease for at least 12 to 18 months. We're not going to medicate our way out of this virus for at least 6 to 8 weeks, depending on the results of clinical trials. So it really comes down to our behavior patterns and our culture.
Craig Smith, KGUN 9 on your side.